Hello, hola, namaste. So welcome again in my YouTube channel. You know the name of YouTube channel? Hello, hola, namaste. So there are three words: hello, hola, namaste, which are belongs to the three language: hello in English, hola in Español or Spanish, namaste in Hindi. So we thought about this channel, that is, we will provide any content in any language, Hindi, English or Spanish. So here no any content in single language or specific language, English or Spanish or Hindi like. So here we will provide all the content in mixed language, no any specific language. So guys, thanks for joining me. So today's topic is abecedario or Spanish alphabet. You know very well, in English there are 26 letters in alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. But what about Spanish? How many letters are there? You know about Spanish? If you know, then you can comment in the comment box. So there are total 30 letters in Spanish alphabet. 26 are same like English, and other 4 will be some different, but it will also look like same, but something here different. But something it will different in the structure. So extra alphabet we will learn in the last part of the video. So let's come on the point. Here we will show English alphabet and here Spanish alphabet. So how can pronounce Spanish alphabet? Let's begin. A, and this is A. In English, we always say about this structure, about this alphabet, we always say A. But in Spanish, we never say A. This structure we will never say A or never pronounce A. So we will pronounce it A. A, A. After A, B. B, Be, B, Be. C, Se, C, Se. D, De, D, De. E, A, E, A, E, A. F, F, A, F, F, A, F, F, A. G, K, G, K, G, K. H, 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 H. I, E, I, E, I, E. J, Khota, J, Khota. K, Ka, K, Ka, K, Ka. L, 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 L. M, 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 M. N, 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 N. O, 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 O. So here both we will pronounce like same O, just like English. So when we will pronounce O in English, O, then we will pronounce like same in Spanish O. So after O, P, P, Pe, P, Pe, P, Pe. Q, 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 Q. R, Ere, R, Ere, R, Ere, R, Ere. S, 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 S. T, Te, T, Te, T, Te. U, 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 U. V, pronounce not way. V we will pronounce like ube, ube. V we will pronounce ube, not way. So V, ube. W, double ube. W, double ube. E, ube double. So here anything you can pronounce double ube or ube double. So W, ube double, W, ube double. X 21, X 21, X 21, X 21. Y Y Y Y Y Y Y Z seta, Z seta, Z seta. So you saw about 26 letter here, but rest 4 here. First CH. CH will pronounce like che, che, CH, che, and after CH, NEA, NEA, NEA. This is NEA. Look like same, but here something tilde on the end, so it will be pronounced like NEA, NEA. You can pronounce with me Niña, Niño, Pequeña, Pequeña, Pequeño. So here using Enia, Enia, Nia. So here NEA. After NEA, double R, double R. So here using double R, so we will pronounce in Spanish double R, and after double R, double L. So we will pronounce double L in Spanish, double L, double L, double L. So guys, again we will revise all the letters together. So A, B, C, CH, che, D, de, E, A, F, G, H, I, E, J, khota, K, ka, L, double L, M, N, after N, NEA, O, P, Q, R, S, and before S, double R, double R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, seta. And again the other 4, CH, che, after CH, NEA, after NEA, double L, after double L, double R. So how was the video and how are you feeling now? Please do comment in comment box, and thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Thanks for the watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.